Why do baby birds end up in sticky situations? Baby birds who are just learning to fly often find refuge in spiky palm trees for several clever reasons. While it may seem prickly, the spiky foliage acts as a natural deterrent, keeping potential predators at bay. It can provide fantastic hiding spots, shielding baby birds from both threats and harsh weather. Baby birds instinctively adapt to their surroundings, making spiky palms nature's cozy nursery, where they can grow and thrive during their early days.